Hi everyone, I'm Emma, and in this video we're exploring the Swiss Army knife of networking, Netcat. In this video we'll talk about how to check open ports on a server using Netcat. So, without further ado, let's get to it. The first thing you need to do to use Netcat is to install it on your system. You can install Netcat on Ubuntu with the following command: sudo apt-get update, sudo apt-get install Netcat. Now, let's use Netcat to identify open ports on your server. Netcat can scan a single port or a range of ports. Imagine you want to scan ports ranging from 10 to 25 on the server with IP 127.0.0.1. The command would be netcat-z-v-n 127.0.0.1 10-25. To filter out the results and display only the open ports, you can use grep netcat-z-v-n 127.0.0.1 10-25 2 greater than &1 pipe grep succeeded. As you can see, the only open port in this range is port 22. Now let's scan a single port. For example, to scan port 3000 on the server, netcat-z-v-n 127.0.0.1 3000. The port 3000 is not open on this server. If you want to learn more about Netcat, you can check the link in the description of this video.